Okay, I thought I would show you, now that I've got it out, how to get the bulbs out. This one is on the side over here, and you have to press that in. Press that in and pull out. This big one is on the middle one, and you just pull it straight out, just like a regular plug. You can see how it matches up. And then this inside one, it twists and come out. This is the only one that twists. So the one closest to the grill does the twisting. My new headlights come with bulbs, and so I'm going to save them. But if they didn't, you can save them, and that one just popped right out. And I'm going to save that in a bag. Now the biggest one, you just remove this black cover, and then there's a pin right here. You push down and move it over to the side, and then this comes right out like that, and we're going to save that bulb. You can see the end where I twisted, and you can see the hole where it went. And then I'm just going to pull this bulb straight out. It's not a twist or a screw, you just pull it straight out. Alright, to get the headlight out, to wiggle it out, you can see this was under the bumper. So you wiggle this a little bit and wiggle out of this area, wiggle this, and just gently ease it out.